Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making this drawstring ponytail for a toddler and even an adult. It's quite easy and straightforward. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First, I have the drawstring net. I got it from Shopee. I'm going to leave the link of every product that I used in the description box. There I have the hair I'm going to be using. It's similar to the multi-expression hair, if you know that one. I'm going to leave the link of that. I got that from Lazada. So I'm just going to go in with my T-pins and just make sure I secure the net onto the mannequin head to help me to work well. And then I'm going to just take out my hair from the bundle. This hair, as I said earlier, is really similar to the multi hair, the expression multi hair. There I'm going to divide the hair into three. It has natural suture lines so that you can just take apart into three. So there I'm going to crochet in the outer rim that's along the line of the drawstring. I'm just going to crochet there. I'm going to crochet closely together around there because that's the area that is going to be outside, if I may say so. I'm just going to keep crocheting around there. Make it close together, not too tight, too tight, because you know there is an elastic. You're going to draw it together, so you could just leave maybe a finger apart, leave space a finger apart. So between each of the crocheted hair there is a space of a finger apart. This should take you less than 30 minutes, like really maybe about 20 minutes if you're slow. But it's something that your daughter is going to use for a while. So you see, I'm dividing into three to show you. See, the natural suture lines are there. Immediately you just open into three, it comes out. But now see, if you want to do more than three, see what's going to happen now. You see that it's going to look all rough and tangled. So that's why I was using just dividing it into three to just make it to be smooth, not to have the rough feel. And as I was saying, your daughter is going to save you stress. This hair has saved me. I made this video a while back, but I've been using the hair for a while already, and it's been saving me a lot of stress. I just do quick cornrows for my daughter, maybe just rubber bands, and then I just put this on it and it just takes the style. Oops, top notch. And if you're still watching up until this point, please do consider to subscribe, to like, and to share my video. Thank you for always coming back. So we are in the middle there. You're just going to put them, you space them out, not too much, but then there should be some space inside, because as I said earlier, this drawstring, you're going to pull it, so it's going to just come together. And there you go, I'm done. I'm just taking off my T-pins right now to see if I did a great job or not, but I can tell you it is a great job. And the hair is just so fine, like there is no entanglement, no flyaways and all. It's so nice. See, that's your drawstring there, and there you go. Yeah, my daughter about going to school right now, and that's just it. You just do easy cornrows with a little bun at the back, and then you place the hair there, pull your drawstring and tie around. As easy as that. My teacher used to say as easy as ABC. Easy, really easy. I told you, right? Oh, you're going to thank me for this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.